guys to do?
We're about to go move the net with the egg chickens down over there by the trampoline.
Eat some tacos.
Give them a new lot to move them on.
Get free soda.
So the egg chickens are going to go over there, and the meat chickens are going to come from the brooder into the chicken tractor.
Oh, yeah.
For the first day.
And we're going to get back out to the pond.
They're going to be so excited.
Yep.
Here, pull them up and lay it. Y'all lay y'all's that way. Karen, you don't. I can hold it, babe.
Case, do you want to go get the tripod?
You got something on your arm.
Yeah.
On your arm.
Don't let the dogs out, though. They're ready. Sorry. We got to get your fence done. Yeah. Y'all are hard to corral. Almost. Almost.
Is there anything I can do?
Got it. I said hold on.
Alright, there's nothing under there? Go nice and slow. Go this way.
What are you talking about? The leg?
When that gets down there, this is going to be up here. It's going to hit.
The brakes?
Try it. Rub it on that side. Go.
I can't see that side.
If you're the one pulling the trailer, you got to check all sides, buddy.
TJ, where do you want him in the square? Where do you want to start? Probably just right here at the front. Just right here at the front? It's time. Y'all ready? Woo! Come on. Don't be scared. They're always always hesitant when they have a new home. Come on. Who's gonna be first? Who's gonna do it? All right, there's one, brave soul.
This might have been two. Don't drive the spoiler around here right now, because they don't have the thing on.
Come on. See, it's okay. Uh-oh. Guys. Come on. Don't leave him all by himself. Come on, guys. Come on out. They know they're in a new place. They don't know what to think about it. Oh, here they go. Come on. Tell your sisters. Tell them it's okay. What? Are you the last one? Are you the last one? Come on. Don't be shy. Don't go back in. That's not what we want. There they all are. The ladies. See, I told y'all it was okay.
They hear the drone, I think.
Yeah, I didn't know from my station.
My gosh. Yeah. Dang. Got her rigged up on the front corner here. So got it hooked up to our four-wheeler. It's a Honda Recon. So not the strongest. We want to get a bigger one, but you know, do with what we have. There's the chicken tractor. We're gonna get into our new fenced in area. We're dragging it in.
Back it up real nice.
Hey, here come the chickens. Ladies are like, what's that big box? Got the eggmobile over there, and all the egg chickens are right here. You hit the fence. Oh, here come the ladies. Sweet. Carl, we gotta put the meat chickens in it, bro.
Alright.
What's next, Dad?
What?
What's next?
I need to find a way to make them calm when I'm holding them.
Here you go. You can just drop them once they're a couple inches off the bottom.
Okay. Now someone else can do it.
Here we go. Herd them like little animals. Hey, hurry them, go this way. Alright.
Oh.
Okay.
You guys.
You want to get them out? Get them out? Get further away, Cubby. We don't want it to go zoomed in.
How many more we want to put in there?
Let's just fill the whole thing up. Okay.
Okay, one more.
Probably one more.
Yeah, you can put more in there. They like being all. And I guess we're not gonna. That's probably good.
Good batch of mine.
All Alright, let's drive them down.
Kim, here, Kim. Time to take the chicks to their new home until they'll be old enough to have them processed and ready to go. So, take them down there. I might have to jog here in a second, so sorry if the camera's a little bit shaky. There they are. They're just about 3.5 weeks old, right?
You've been chosen to go to a good place.
They just turned 3 weeks.
Okay, so they're 3 weeks old.
Oh, this one cracked. Come on. What's the wings?
You gotta hold their wings.
Okay, that's all.
Woo! You're on. That's called grass. That's called grass. No, don't put on this bar. It's not made to hold weight. Huh? Look at them.
Still got like 10 more.
They're like,
Brooders, so
what is this? No. Last time our egg layers were the same size as these when we moved them out.
Yeah.
So to see them right next to each other, look, they're like looking in the thing like, there's more chickens. They're like, hey. They're like turning their head, trying to look in there. Look at these little dudes. This is way better, huh? That's why we moved you guys out here a day early, because now you got fresh air and fresh bugs, fresh grass. Looking good. The egg layers are like, who are these little things? We're about to dump some food in there for you guys. Just pour it in the same spot so it's thick. Nice. These wheels are great. Been working out great. Really made it easy moving it down here. Who said you could get up there? Huh? Who said you could get up there? Y'all better not be pooping on here. Did y'all find the food? Did y'all find the food? Yeah? Did you find the food? We're gonna put some more in there.
Just walking on top of it, huh?
These little dudes are gonna be this size in about 4 weeks. Hey, the spinning reel works good. If you guys need a hen gear nest box, make sure y'all check out our code. Gives you 20 bucks off on top of any deals they're running right now. It's AA20 for Adonai's Acres. Just gotta finish up this gate and we are done. Yeah, having this gate's been nice.
Yeah. Yeah, if we didn't have that gate, we'd have to turn off the electricity thing and then climb over, and then when we climb back over, we'd have to go back and turn it on, so.
Yeah, so.
Just pull her up.
I gotta get that, I gotta put that screw in on one. So,
But I mean, that's the easy
great.
gate. It is called like the easy gate, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's legit easy gate.